Okay, hello. For the first part, we'll start with something simple so that those who missed the lesson yesterday, I think it will be easy enough to catch up. Then for the second part of the lesson, it will be a bit more difficult. Things are like that. You go from easy to hard. Okay, first, know that the question want you to factorize. Okay? So when you see this factorize, you must be thinking, I want to break down what they give me into something times something. Multiplication, that's why we call it factorize. The factors are 2 and bracket. So we started with here, then we ended up with something times something. That is called factorize. Okay? So let us look at an example. Okay? So when we see this, I want to factorize this. I must start by identifying how many terms are there. Terms are separated by plus and minuses. Okay? Meaning, here got a plus. So, I have a term 3hx. I have a term 3hy. Okay? I must first know there are 2 terms. Then when I'm doing my factorization, I am looking for a common factor. Meaning, here and here, is there a common thing that I can divide by? So 3hx can be divided by 3. 3hy can be divided by 3. 3 is a common factor in both the terms. Okay? So when I see a common factor, I can factorize out. I can take out the 3. Okay? But in this case, 3 is not the only factor, because the front term can divide by h. The back term can also divide by h. Okay? So I must also factorize out the h at the same time. Okay? Once I factor out 3h, I will have a bracket. Then I get my factorize already. There are 3 and h are the factors. This bracket is the factor. But what is inside the bracket? X plus y. Because when I multiply x by this, I must get back the first term. Okay? So I take 3hx divided by 3h, I will get x. Because when I multiply, I must get back the same thing. Okay. Then I go back to the beginning. Beginning, I started with 2 terms. Then in the end, my bracket must have 2 terms also. So after this 3hx divided by 3h to get my x, the second term here is 3hy divided by 3h to get my y. And this one is plus 3hy divided by 3h, so I still have a plus y. That is how I get back my x plus y. So I start with 2 terms. Inside my bracket, I should have 2 terms. And then the common factor take out. So this one become a factorized form. 3h is a factor. This whole bracket is a factor. Become a multiplication. Okay? Huh? If you put h, then you must continue to factorize. If I only take out h, I will have 3x plus 3y. It is not completely factorized because inside my bracket, 3x and 3y, 3 is still a common factor. So I have to further factorize out a 3 to get my x plus y. Then h times 3 is 3h. Okay? So if you never see all the factors at one time, you can take out one factor first. Then after that, you must take out also the other factor. So end of the day, you must try to make the inside as simple as possible. No more common factor. Okay? Good question. Okay? Those that were not here yesterday. Okay, so this one I go a bit faster. 8 and 12. First I see the numbers first. Okay, first I see how many terms are there. Terms are separated by plus and minus. So I have a first term 8kx. I have a second term minus 12ky. Then I look at the numbers. What is the common factor between 8 and 12? 4. So I know that I can take out 4. Then I start to look at the alphabets. K and k. Means both can divide by k. So I take out the k also. Then what will be left behind will be inside a bracket. I start with 2 terms. I must have 2 terms inside the bracket. Okay? So 8kx divided by 4k. 8 divided by 4, 2. K divided by k, cancel. So I still have my x there. Minus 12 divided by 4. So minus 3. K cancel already. Left with y. Okay? Then for those who are not here, when we do this, from here become this, that is called factorization. When we are given this, and then we multiply to get the simplified form, this one is called expansion. So in the last topic we did expansion. When you are given this, they want you to go and do your rainbow method. When I do my rainbow method, it will become this simplified form. So it is the reverse of expansion. Okay? Okay, quickly. There is no hard and fast rule to actually factorize out the negative sign. Okay? So in exam, if you just factorize out the p, 1 term, 2 term. Then if I only factorize out the p, minus px divided by p minus x. Minus py divided by p minus y. Like that also can. Like that also acceptable. But the question put here, they want you to know that when both your terms are negative, you can also factorize out the negative sign. Meaning, I take out the minus p. Then, minus x divided by minus, it will become positive x. Minus y divided by minus become plus y. Okay? Or you can straight away factorize out negative p. Negative px divided by negative p will be positive x. Negative py divided by negative p will become positive y. But you start with 2 terms, you must end with 2 terms inside the bracket. Okay? Part N. Same They want you to know that you can factorize out the negative sign. Then we look at the number. 30 and 25 both can be divided by 5. So I take out 5. Qx, Qy both can divide by Q. So I also take out Q. Then what is left behind inside the bracket? I should have 2 terms also. Minus 30qx divided by minus 5q. Minus minus cancel, I will become positive. 30 divided by 5, 6. Qx divided by Qx. Okay? So what is really happening is actually, to find this one, I am taking this one divided by the common factor. So I can do at the side. If you cannot do mentally, do at the side. Minus 30qx divided by minus 5q. This is what is actually happening to get this. Then minus minus cancel. 30 and 5 cancel. Becomes 6. Q and Q cancel. Left with x. Similarly, to get this second term, it is actually this second term divided by the common factor. Okay? So what is happening is, I take minus 25qy divided by minus 5q to get this number over here. Minus minus cancel become plus. 25 and 5 cancel. Okay? Cancel, 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 become 5. Q and Q cancel. So I'm actually left with positive 5y. But if you can do your mental sum, then okay. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Qy divided by Q, Q cancel, left with y. Minus divided by minus, so plus. Okay? Once you are comfortable doing your mental sum, you don't need to use the green color part to help you. Wow, why so dark? Why so dark? Why so dark, not chicken? Okay. This time round, we start with 3 terms. 24x negative 27y second term plus 3z third term. So we started with 3 terms. Same, we go and see if there are any common factor among the 3. So first we look at the numbers. 24, 27 and 3. 3 can be divided by 3. 27, I go and press calculator. Also can divide by 3. 24, I press calculator. Also can. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3 is common. Then I see the alphabet. X, Y and Z, not common. So don't have alphabet to take out lor. Just like that lor. So what is left behind? Bracket. I started with 3 terms. Here I must have 3 terms. 24x divided by 3, 8x. Negative divided by positive, so negative. 27 divided by 3, 9. Y still there. Plus 3z divided by 3, so left with 1z. Answer. Can? Okay? Answer. Following so far. You not here yesterday, but I think all these should be able to follow. Okay, then this one we did yesterday. But not finished. Why not finish? Because 8, 10 and 12 all can be divided by 2. Okay? They are all even number, they can be divided by 2. I think yesterday I missed out. Then, first term got x, second term got x, third term got x. So x is also common. Okay? So, we could actually take out 2 and x. Then I will have 4a plus 5b minus 6c. Okay? This one cannot. Must further factorize the 2 out. Wow. Don't die. Okay, Ken? Okay, then we go to slightly more difficult. Slightly only. Next page. Okay, they want us to factorize. So when you see factorize in the question, they want you to make it become something times something. Then we must start to identify how many terms are there here. Can see or not? Terms are separated by plus and minus. We ignore those inside the bracket because they are inside the bracket. We look at brackets first. So actually, here got two terms. The first term is just an A. The second term is 4A times the entire bracket. This is the bigger picture. A plus 4A times bracket. So there are two terms. Okay? Let me underline. The first term is A. The second term is plus 4A bracket x plus y. Okay? With that, can you see there is a common factor? First term and second term. What is the common factor? Mia. A. Very good. A can be divided by A. 4A times bracket can also be divided by A. So A is the common factor. We want to factorize. We factorize out the A. And when I factorize out my A, what will be left behind will be a bracket. I started with two terms. I must have two terms inside. So what are the two terms? The first one, A divided by A, 1. The second one, plus 4A times bracket is the entire term. When I divided by A, I will have 4 times the bracket. Okay? Just divided by the A away only. So from the back left like that. Okay? But we don't want to leave the answer like that. Okay? We want to simplify as much as possible what is inside the big bracket. So, 1 plus 4 times bracket. So this part I will need to do my expansion. Then when 4 multiply x, I will add 4 multiply x. Then I also need to add 4 multiply y when I do the expansion. So I will leave my answer as 4x plus 4y plus 1. Yes, you can put these 3 in any order also can. So you can stop here also can. You can stop at this line. You can also stop at this line. Yes. Arian, I just saw you taking something and throwing it at Jingyi. You trying to disturb her to get her attention. Okay, I do I also. Okay, I want to factorize this thing. I must start with identifying how many terms are there. So this negative x and this bracket is a multiplication. So they belong together. Then there is a minus 4x. So actually I can see this as one term, two terms. So I start with these two terms. Then I go and see these two terms got anything in common or not. So negative is common, x is also common. Okay? So if I want to factorize and factorize the negative at the same time, I will take out factorize negative x. I started with two terms. So inside my bracket, I should have two terms. First term divided by negative x, cancel, cancel. I will have a positive 3 minus p. Second term, minus 4x divided by minus x. Minus minus cancel become plus. X cancel with the x. I will have a plus 4. Okay? Then I must further simplify. When I open up this bracket, 3 minus p already, I plus 4. So 3 plus 4 become 7 minus p. Answer. Okay? So after I factorize, actually it can look like this. A lot simpler. Pencil, why you fall asleep already? Oh yeah. Valerie, are you following? Can do or not? Why you shaking your head? Eh, not Valerie, sorry. Jessica. Can do or not? You were not here yesterday also. Okay, try the rest. Let's see go. Okay, never mind. I do one more first. Then you all do. Identify. Here is multiplication. Here is multiplication. So this is actually two terms. The first term is here. The second term is here. Then out of the two terms, common is negative 2x. Negative is common. Both 2 and 8 can divide by 2. Then got the x also common. I swear.
That's not how you say it, Joe. That's not how you say it.
By the moon and the stars in the sky. Oh, I swear.
What page is that?
72. Like a shadow that's by your side. Of course. I see the question in your eyes. I know what's hanging on your mind. No. Of course. How? Okay or not? Okay, then you all try the rest. When we are asked to factorize this, we must first identify how many terms are there. Terms are separated by plus and minuses. Then when we look closely, here is actually negative 2x times bracket. So together is one term. Then after that it is 8x multiply this bracket. Then this part and this part separated by this minus. So this one is one term. This one is one term. So we started with two terms. Then from the two terms, we go and find what is the common factor. Both got minus, I can factorize out minus. 2 and 8, both can be divided by 2. So I take out the 8. Got x, also can divided by x. So I also take out x. So after that, I will have a bracket. Then I started with two terms. Then inside my bracket must have two terms. So this one, first one is taking the first term and divide by minus 2x. So this minus 2x cancel when I divide. So I'm left with this bracket. Then this second part, I divide by this to get this. Because when I multiply, I will get back the same thing. Minus divided by minus become plus. 8 divided by 2 become 4. X divided by x, don't have x already. Then we still have this bracket at the back. Okay? Then after that, I must simplify what is inside the bracket. So 9p plus q. Then when I multiply 4 to this bracket, 4 times 3p become 12p. 4 times negative 5q become minus 20q. Then simplify further. 9p plus 12p, 21p. Q minus 20q, so minus 19q. Outside is minus 2x, no change. Yes, go, go, go. No. Yes, shout more. I love hearing you shout. No. I must say no, then you will keep pleading, ma. Wait for Wei Kian to come back. Hey, I thought I got record. Oh, yes, I got record. Hey, try. Those that have problems starting. Here. Those that have problems starting. This is one term. This is one term. There are two terms. Use blue color. Okay? Plus 3a is one term. Plus 5a is times bracket is one term. For those of you who have difficulty starting. Then find the common factor in both the terms. 6a is one term. Minus a times bracket is one term. 8a is one term. Minus a times bracket is one term. 9x one term. 18x like that is one term. Because they are separated by the plus and minus. Okay, go try. What is the common factor? Very simple. These two, compare these two. There is only one common factor. Hey, Jedi. You don't know Jedi and then you are playing with it like a lightsaber. You are Sith Lord. You are a Sith lah. Sith Lord lah.
Come on.
Go.
Dustbin Beaver. You know, I reckon the name is like a scooter. Scooby Dog. Scooby Dog.
Yes. No. Yes.
What I do?
Nazif, are you able to start? What is the common factor here and here? Yes. So good. Okay, so just take out A. Okay, once you identify A is the common factor, you can take out A. Just like that only. Then simplify what is inside. Saya tak tahu.我不知道你说什么。你讲什么？ Yes, we get why you stand outside, don't want to come in. Okay. Elijah ask first, go lah. Hey, for those of you who don't fully understand, but you should also be able to see the pattern.
Wait, I see it.
She's a monster. Why? You should be able to do what? Kelly, what are you looking at on your PLD? I think your PLD belongs with Aaron's PLD. Match born in heaven, I think. Why? I saying the PLD belongs with Aaron's PLD. Match made in heaven. Oi, do your math.
He's copying it!
Elijah, what are you doing? Okay, go, go, go. Thaddeus. Huh? No. Eh? I think you did eh. Yeah. Hey, how? Ari, are you able to spot what is the common factor? So, are you able to factorize out the A? Okay, you can have a 1 here. Yeah. But you can don't write the 1 because minus 1 times bracket, we can don't write the 1. Huh? Yeah. Very good. Yes. Okay. Then after that, we can simplify further. Almir, did you get this? Similar. So you never keep this inside the bracket, is it? Because here only divided by A, so what I have will be here. Minus the bracket, just missing the A only. Then after that, minus give to X, minus give to 3Y. Thaddeus, why are you still happily playing with your fake lightsaber?
Because a child fantasy is greater than man.
Hansel, why are you sleeping? You yesterday already not here. Today you come here and sleep. How you catch up? Ari, you do, then suddenly distracted. Go there, talk about Star Wars. Hey, once you spot the pattern, once you are able to do your minus give to 9x, your minus give to negative, change it to plus. Once you take care of all these small details, actually you can do quite fast one, all these questions. Kelly, which question are you at? J. Happily talking. Nazif, continue, focus.
Mr. Ong, you shine the light, you shine the laser, my eye when you look gay. What? John, you want to have you want to say? No, Mr. Ong, can I ask something?
Yes.
You're doing so slow, shine the laser, my eye when you look Bro, you shine the eye when you saw the girl. You know the shopping cart from Fairprice, right? The only costs $4. You can just take it home. What do you need? Me, I need it.
I don't know what you're talking.
No, John. Now, like, when you use the card, right, you have to pay $1. That means you can just take it home. Right?
I don't know. Okay, again. 2 terms. We can divide by 9. We can also divide by x. Hey, once you see the pattern, it is all just multiplication, addition. So don't think of it as too difficult.
What the?
Can 3 plus 2h or 2h plus 3 both okay.
Why does a bus?
Why does the bus have 50 seats? Why not? Socrates.
If math is a power, why do you know it?
I can't even hear you.
If your speech is a power, why? Math is a power.
Freudian. It's all because of your mother. Wait, which question are you at? H. Why do you have a packet of purple water? Huh? Okay. Wait, why you go toilet and come back with a packet of purple water? I'm worried about your health. Normal, eh? Okay, we started with 2 terms. 21x and 7hx multiply a bracket. So both 21 and 7 can divide by 7. Hx and x both got common x. So take out 7x bracket. 21x divided by 7x. 21 divided by 7, 3. X divided by x, cancel. 7 divided by 7, 1. hx divided by x left with h. I still need to multiply this. I don't see how you can.
Why? I thought my life table would be got the entire journey got.
How can he force you to open your mouth, go and bite the plastic? Okay, two terms. The front can divide by 10 can divide by 2, 2 can divide by 2. X can divide by x, x can divide by x. So if I start with two terms, take out 2x, 10hx divided by 2x, 5h. Because when I multiply, I must get back the same thing. Then minus 2x times bracket divided by 2x. So minus, still minus, bracket, still bracket. After that, then open the bracket, minus give to 5y, minus give to z. Oh, you got Aaron triggered. Hey, Thaddeus, enough! Put away that thing. Okay, J. Ari, you so happy, you finished already. Then, why are you happy about people not finishing? You try to finish yourself. You are finished.
Mr. Beast, give me some money. My God, man. Wow. Thank you.
Okay, for part J, take note, this one must be plus. Minus divided by minus, it will change to plus. When I do my expansion, plus 4 times minus 3x, it will become minus 12x. If I never change, I will not be able to get back the same minus 12x. So this one must change to plus.
Go lah, go lah, go lah.
Oh ya,这个。Roger, can you say game and eager? Joe, don't say it. Joe.
Okay, come. Everyone done?
India? I'm afraid of that country. What? I'm very good business. Saudi Arabia wasn't Iraq. Boxing black girls.
I don't care, you see photo or video, it's not bad when you your PLD go and what were you all doing? What is the wall becoming? Hey, I wanted to start the next topic, but I see all of you. Why? Never even try. Maybe you did. Why you want to skip one step? Okay, next page. 73. Let's get started. Okay, question 1. Hello. For the very first question, again, we are factorizing. We see how many terms are there. 1 term, 2 term. Then we look for the common factor. 1 got x squared, 1 got x. Both x and x squared can be divided by x. So we can factorize x. And then I will have 2 terms inside my bracket. 10x squared divided by x, 10x. Plus 11x divided by x, plus 11. Answer. Okay? So this first part, there is no difficulty actually. Okay? Okay, so try B, C, D. Okay, never mind, I do D. Same, there are 2 terms. Then I start to look for the common factor. Minus and minus means I can take out a minus. 28 and 32 both can be divided by 4. So I can take out a 4. Okay? X squared and x both are divisible by 1x only. So I take out x. Y and y squared, y is common. So my common factors are negative sign, 4, x, and y. These are all my common factors. Answer.
Wait, for question C, is it just x or is it ax?
Both can be divided by a, right? Both can be divided by x. So, ax. Well done. Jarius, try Alright, 4E, question 1. Not much different. Two terms. Look for the common factor. Then take out or factorize out your common factor. The difficult part will come tomorrow. Question 2.